So next topic is binomial theorem. So if you are preparing for a GATE exam, then some competitive exams like SSC, CAT, and these kind of exams, the binomial theorem is very important concept. So first I will start with some basics. So we know that n factorial means we can write this one as a n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, likewise 2 into 1. So this is the n factorial value. Okay, we know that what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is nothing but 1, and 2 factorial means 2 into 1 equals to 2. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 6. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 24. So like this. And the principle which we have here to calculate the term, like the principle what we have is NCR is equals to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So this is the principle we have to remember here. So on this basis we solve few questions. The first problem we have is 5c2 is equals to how much? So here just compare, just write this word here, write this one here, NCR. So here in place of n what we have 5, in place of r what we have 2. So here the n value is equals to 5 and r value equals to 2. Now this will be 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 1 into 2 3 factorial. 3 factorial get cancelled, so 2 ones 2 twos, so the value is equals to 10. So likewise we can do for 7c4 also. Here this will be 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 7 minus 4 how much? 3 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial 1 into 2 into 3. 4 factorial get cancelled here. 2 ones 2 threes, 3 ones 3 ones, so 7 5s are 45, so 35. So 35 will be the answer here. So I hope it's clear. So this is the first kind of problem. The second kind of problem is equals, second principle what we have is here is NCR is equals to NC n minus r. So now we will do a problems based on this principle. The question they may ask like this: 10c7 is equals to x, and this equals to 10c3. So what is the value of x? So the question is what is the value of x? So here first we will identify whether this one is in this form or not. Yes, this is in this form only. So this we can write it like this: 10c7 is equals to 10c 7 minus 10 minus 7. We can write this one like that. So 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. So this will become this way. Okay, so now we have to calculate the x value. So the value of 10c7 and the value of 10c3 is same. Okay, so first we will do for 10c3. So this will be 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by r factorial means, so same principle here also we have to apply. So now r factorial means 3 factorial, then 7 factorial. 3 factorial get cancelled here. 7 factorial means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. These four values get cancelled. Now 2 ones 2 twos, 3 ones 3 threes. 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60. So the answer will come out to be 60. I think I have made some mistake here. 2 1s, sorry, this is 4. 2 4s are 8. So the answer comes out to be 120. So if you do the same way for this also, you will getting answer is equals to 120. So this is about this is the second kind of problem. So I am not solving more number of problems. I am just solving only the basic problems so that it will be easy. And so just so whatever the way they can ask in these two types, so this much is sufficient. So next kind of problem is to identify the general term. So in the binomial theorem, so we have to identify a general term. So the questions will be asking like this. So x plus y whole power 12. In this, what is the fifth word? In this, what is the fifth word? The question is like this. And here the principle what we need to remember is equal. What we need to remember is t r plus 1 is equals to ncr x n minus r y r. So this is the principle we have to remember here. So what is the r here? R is equals to whatever the number they are asking here. See here n value will be the power. Okay, now r value will be the word, which word they are asking to calculate, that word plus, sorry, that word minus r, sorry, minus 1. So ikkada, so sorry, here 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So r value always whatever the word they are asking to calculate, that word minus 1, that will be the r value. So here they are asking us to calculate the fifth word. The r value will be the 5 minus 1, 4. R value will be 4. So t 4 plus 1 is equals to, so here n value will be the power value. So 12 c, r value will be the 5 minus 1, 4, and x 12 minus 4, and y 4. So the final answer will be 12c4, x8, and y4. So this one we can also write 4 1s, 4 3s, c3, x8, y4, like this also we can write. So here you just need to remember what is this principle, then how to calculate the r value. R value is nothing but whatever the word, if they ask to calculate 10th word in this, then r value will be 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. So like that we have to calculate the r value. So in this general term I am going to solve more number of problems so that it will be easy. Next we have x minus y 15. In the process of solving, so we have to identify the 8th word. Okay, so what is the principle? Here we have t r plus 1 is equals to ncr x n minus r y r. So this is the principle. Okay, so here I said that how to calculate the r value. R value is nothing but the word, which word they are asking us to calculate, minus 1. So they are asking us to calculate 8th word, so that then r value will be 7. 7 plus 1 is equals to n value is 15 here, 15 c, and this will be a 7 x, 15 minus 7 y 7. So here we have to remember that in the previous problem x plus y 12, this is the previous problem I solved. So here the charge is positive charge, but here the charge is negative charge, that's why here the negative charge will come. So if you do this problem, so you'll get 15 C7 x 8 y minus y7. So this is the 8th word. And then we have a 1 plus x 8. In this we have to identify the third word. So t, what is the r value will be here? 2 plus 1. So then 8 c 2 x, not x, here 1 was 1. So x, this will be n minus r, that means 8 minus 2 6. And then next we have x, x r value is 2. So this is the answer, here it will come. So next they may not give the normal numbers, they may give in the form of like this also, 2x square plus 5 by x cube all for 15. In this, what is the 7th word? Okay. This kind of problems also they can ask. So here it's also very simple, they ask 7th word. So now we have to calculate what is the r value. R value is nothing but 7 minus 1, that equals to 6. So now t, 6 plus 1 is equals to, so this one, this will be, so this is the principle. Here we have, right, I will write here NCR x n minus r y r, this equals to tr plus 1. So this is the principle here we have, and this also I am writing here only, 2x square plus 5 by x cube 15. Okay, so this x and x term, this is belongs to this. Okay, and this will be separate. So here n value is 15, c 15. So next what is r value here? 6. Next, so here 2x square 15 minus 6, and this will be for the y term. Okay, now 5 by x3 x cube is equals to, what is r value here? 6. And we have to solve this one. How we will solve this? So now the 15 c 6, it will be like this, and this will be the value of this one will be 2x square is will be 15 minus 6 equals to 9. Okay, then this will be 5 6 by x 18. Okay, we can write this one like this, because 5 this is the 1 square, so 5 1 6 are 6 and 3 6 are 18. So now I will write here. Now this one we will split 15 c6. So this one we can write 9 2s are, okay, 2 power 9, and 9 2s are 18, x 18, and next 5 by x 18, 5 6 by x 18. So now x 18 gets cancelled, so the final answer comes out to be 516 29 56. So this is the final answer. It's very simple mathematics. If you apply simple mathematics, it's very easy to get a answer. Then I'm not going to solve this problem, but you can try it. 3x square plus 5 by x square 15. So in this, what is the 12th word? Okay, so I will solve this also. So here the 12th word means r value is 11 plus 1 is equals to 5 c 11 plus into 3x square 15 minus 11 how much? 4. And 5 by x square 11. So if you solve this one, the answer will come out to be, so this will be 4, and this we can write it as a like this. The answer will come out to be C11 3 4 5 power 11 by x power 14. It is just simple mathematics. You just apply simple mathematics so that you will get the answer. I'm not going to deep into this problem, but I hope you can solve it. Now next we have model 2. Model 2. So in this model 2 we have to identify the word which is not having x. Okay, so this is also very simple. So this kind of problems they will ask in a GATE exam. 3x square is 3x square plus 7 by x cube 15. So what is the word which is not having x, or we can also say that constant word. So they may ask in the problem, so to calculate the constant word. So here what you need to do that, see this square and this square, these two gets multiply, and these two gets this square and this square gets addition. It's very simple. Okay, so now 15 into 2 by 3 plus 2. It's very simple. 30 by 6 is equals to 6. It is that simple. So now this is the r value. So we have to identify the first the r value we have to identify. So this is the way to calculate the r value. So now the constant word, the same principle here also we have, that is NCR x n minus r y r. So now we know the r value, so we can directly calculate the value. So n is here 15, so 15c 6 x 15 minus 6 equals to 9, and y 6. Okay, so here what is the x equals to 3, so that will comes out to be 3 9, and here y is equals to 7 6 15 c 16. So this is the answer. So I am not going in the detail the mathematics, so you can means this is not the way. You have to take 3x square, then we have to take 9 like that, 7x by 3 6 like that. I am not going into the detail. I hope you can solve this problem like that. So this is another kind of problem. And next we have model 3. And if you want more problems here, I will write more problems here. 3x square minus 5 by x cube is equals all for 10. So here the answer will come out to be 10c4 36 54. So you can do this one as a you can practice this one. And we have another one, 5x cube plus 7 by y whole power 12, and the answer will come out to be 12 c9 5 3 7 9. So you can solve these two problems. So this is very important problem. And this is the model 2. And model 3, so in the model 3 we have to identify the coefficient of xn value. We have to identify the coefficient. So the problem they will ask like this: 3x square plus 2 by x cube all power 20 in this the coefficient of x5. Coefficient of x5 we have to identify. Okay, so here also the same way we have to calculate the r value. These two gets multiplication and these two get addition. 20 into 2 by 3 plus 2, this will be, sorry, so here this is model 2, I made a mistake, minus 3 plus 2. So in the coefficient, when you are calculating the coefficient value, in that case the principle is like these two gets multiplication and these two gets addition. So when you're calculating the coefficient, so whatever the addition value will come, that you have to subtract from this value. So 40 minus 5 will be 35 by 5. The r value is equals to 7. So now we can do the coefficient, like C 27, then 3x square, and this will be 20 minus 7, how much? 14, so 13, then 2 by x3, r value 7. The final answer comes out to be 20c7 313 27. Otherwise you just need to do one thing, you just remove this x square, so you will get final answer also. So this is also another way. Okay, so this is the model 3. Next one last model we have. This is also very important. You have to identify the middle term. So the problems will ask like this: 2x plus 3y all for 10. In this, identify the middle word or middle term. So this is very simple. So here how you will calculate the r value? R value is nothing but n by 2. When you are calculating the middle value, so first you have to calculate the r value. R value equals to n by 2. So what is the n value here? 10. 10 by 2 equals to 5. Now you will be writing this form. So now see 10, 5, 2x, 10 minus 5, 5, 3y, 5. So this is the answer. These are the very simple examples, simple problems we have. So this is very important for scoring also. And one last problem we have: 3x plus 5y 15. So in this, identify the middle term. Okay, as I said, in the middle term r value will be n by 2. The 15 by 2, it is 7.5. So it can be 7 or 8. So 7.5 means here we will write in the 7 or 8. Okay, now this will be t r plus 1 is equals to 15 c7 3x 8 5y 7. And we also write in another form, that equals to, so when you are getting the value in a 7.5, in that case you have to take the possibility 7 as well as possibility 8. Okay, so imagine this is the possibility 7 plus 1, this equals to t8. So this is the t8 and this is the t9, because r value is in one case r value is 7, in another case r value equals to 8. So this will be t9. So 15 c8 3x 7 5y 8. Okay, so these are the way to calculate the middle term. Sometimes they may ask so in this distribution, so what are the middle terms? If they ask like this, the middle terms will be 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means 7.5. So 7.5 means you cannot take exact 7.5, you have to take 7 as well as 8. So this is about the binomial distribution. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. So if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can write in the comment box. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, as well as please inform to your friends to watch my channel. Thank you.